Hey there! Welcome back to the Nauctis on YouTube. In some countries, fishing is really important. It gives people food to eat and jobs to do. This means that building fishing boats is also a big part of the economy in these places. Working on a fishing boat is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world, so it's really important that these boats are safe and high-tech. Because of strict fishing rules and safety systems, the fishing boats being made today are getting better and more efficient. These boats aren't just used for catching fish, they're also used for processing the fish right there on the boat. There are lots of different types of fishing boats used all around the world, each designed to catch different types of sea creatures. One type of fishing boat is a trawler. This boat uses nets or other tools to catch animals in the sea. The nets, known as trawls, are attached to the back of the boat and are used to catch all sorts of sea creatures. Trawlers can catch all kinds of fish and sea animals, and they usually have a cooling system on the boat. Even though it might sound easy, people who work on these boats face a lot of danger when they're out at sea catching fish. Trawler boats come in various sizes, from small ones just a few meters long with a single crew member, to massive ships over 100 meters long manned by hundreds of crew members who work for months on end. Modern trawlers usually come equipped with high-tech features like automatic fish processing systems, sonar, and other equipment. Trawlers are widely used by large fishing companies worldwide and are often utilized in the commercial fishing industry to catch fish. There are many trawler fishing vessels built, with one of the largest being the super trawler Vladimir Limanov. The Vladimir Limanov represents the latest generation of vessels equipped with modern technology. When put to work, this ship can operate efficiently and has higher safety features compared to similar vessels. The Vladimir Limanov was designed by Skipsteknisk of Norway and built by the Tursun shipyard in Turkey for a Russian fishing company in 2020. This vessel is the first in a series of new super trawlers designed to boost Russia's fishing production capacity. The cost to construct this super trawler reached $90 million. The Vladimir Limanov measures 108 meters in length and 21 meters in width. This vessel can sail at a maximum speed of up to 15 knots, has a cargo capacity of 5,700 tons, and can accommodate up to 139 crew members on board. Inside the vessel, there's an advanced automated fish processing area. In addition to high safety systems, this ship is also designed to provide maximum comfort for its crew. Interestingly, the super trawler Vladimir Limanov can operate in even the worst weather conditions. In addition to trawler ships, reefer ships also play a critical role in the fishing industry. Reefer ships, or refrigerated container ships, are sea cargo ships also used to transport processed fish from trawler vessels. These ships are also useful for delivering various supplies needed by trawler vessels operating at sea. Equipped with a cooled cargo area, reefer ships are typically fitted with a temperature monitoring system connected to a control center on land to ensure that products are well preserved during transportation. Additionally, reefer ships are commonly used to transport fish from one country to another, even across different continents. In the global food and beverage industry, reefer ships play a crucial role in maintaining product quality and meeting market demand. Before setting out to sea, trawler vessels first load up on supplies such as food, fuel, and more. The supplies on the ship can last for many months. And before the ship departs, the engine, components, and even fishing gear are checked. When all preparations are complete, the trawler then heads towards the predetermined fishing location, which can be thousands of nautical miles away. As the ship nears the fishing area, that's when the crew will start their preparations. To find areas rich in fish, the ship's captain uses a sonar device installed on the vessel. If the sonar displays a lot of red, it signals that the area is abundant with fish, and only then is the fish net lowered. The net on a trawler vessel is slowly released into the sea, and once the net is in the water, the trawl doors are lowered. Trawl doors are devices used to keep the fishing net spread out while it's capturing fish in the sea. Each trawl door weighs about 6 tons, and when in the sea, these doors are positioned parallel to each other down to a depth of more than 1,000 meters. In the process of trawling, the fishing net should not stay on the surface of the water because it allows fish to evade the net. Also, the fishing net is prohibited from touching the seafloor, as it could harm the marine ecosystem, and it could also damage the net itself. After a few hours, when the net is filled with fish, a sensor on the ship lights up. The crew then proceeds to haul in the net. Once the net is pulled in, the fish inside are transferred to a fish storage container. After the fish are stored, a second net is dropped into the sea for another round of fishing. This process continues until the fish storage is full. For smaller trawlers, the catch is usually transferred to a floating base, which is a larger ship equipped with fish processing facilities. However, if the trawler has an onboard processing area, the fish are brought directly there, which is located on the lower deck of the vessel. Before processing, the fish are sorted based on demand. Large fish are frozen, while small ones are canned. During fish processing, workers cut off the head and tail of the fish using a head machine. The separated fish heads are packaged separately and later sold to consumers who need them. The next step is cleaning the inside of the fish. The fish are then cleaned with water until they're spotless. Afterwards, the fish are packaged and placed in a freezer until they're fully frozen. During the fishing process, workers live on the fishing vessel for months on end. Workers on these trawlers work on a shift basis, working for 12 hours, then resting for 12 hours. And due to the high risks involved, especially during bad weather conditions, workers are given survival training such as how to abandon ship, climb onto lifeboats, and even how to attach hooks to their bodies so they can be rescued by helicopters. That wraps up today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. Catch you in the next one.